Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way I know how to grow bamboo by splitting it in a pot. This plant I have here has been in the pot for a couple years and is definitely ready to split. So the first thing you want to do is try to find a good place where you can cut this plant in half, and then we're going to put each piece in its own pot. So if you kind of look here, you can see this is a good place to cut it right down the middle, leaving 4 shoots on one side and 3 on the other. I try to at least have 2 to 3 shoots in every cutling that I make. Now that we know where we're going to cut it, I take a hammer and I bang it around the edges of the pot so it's not stuck. It makes it a lot easier to slide out later. If you have any roots poking out of the drain holes, just clip them off, or it'll make it more difficult to slide the plant out. Turn the plant on its side and bang it again with the hammer, and it should slide out pretty easily, just like that. As you can see, this one was really root bound. Next, I used a handsaw to cut through. You could use an electric sawzall, but I chose the handsaw because it's more gentle on the roots. When you get to the bottom, if there's still some roots the saw won't cut, just use the hand clippers. I put some soil in the bottom of a new pot and put my new cutling in the center, leaving room for it to grow. Water the plants every day for the first couple of weeks. You might notice some of the leaves get wilty, but that's normal. So this is the method I find easiest and I get the most success from. There you can see you got 3 cutlings in that one, and the other pot's got 4. You can do this with clumping or running bamboo. It'll work for either one. I hope this video was useful to you. Please like and subscribe. See you next time. Thanks.